oromo kendo timo twak gi Prime Minister mar piny Japan Fumio Kishida manie limbe pachoka. Kishida nochope par jatend piny mebore Nairobi kuma ne girome kaen e limbe mar pinje mopogore opogore mag Afrika. Nolimo piny Ghana kod Misri kapok omolo e pachoka. Moko kuom weche mag twaki oting'o tudruok mar ohala e kind pinjego kanyakla kod chenro mopogore opogore mag dongruok.
During our meeting, I affirmed to His Excellency Prime Minister that his visit coming on the occasion of the 60th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Kenya and Japan is indicative of the primacy with which Japan accords Kenya as an ally. I assured His Excellency the Prime Minister that Kenya fully reciprocates this consideration. The meeting provided us with another opportunity to evaluate our shared values and mutual commitment to uphold a rules-based international order.
Regarding the situation in Sudan, I expressed my grave concern and added how encouraged I am about the initiative by President Ruto offering his mediation in an effort to try to resolve the situation by Africa themselves.